combo flatbed trailer available at Midco Sales measures 53 feet long. It has an aluminum floor with apatong planks. The cross members are also made of aluminum and include a reinforced coil package for hauling steel coils. The suspension is a Hendrickson air ride system with a rear sliding axle. The Continental tires are mounted on polished aluminum outer wheels. Sliding winch tracks can be found on both sides of the trailer, and an aluminum toolbox is mounted on the driver's side. Visit midcosales.com to learn more about this flatbed or about any of the MANAC trailers available.